proton. If there is one proton in an atom, that's hydrogen. And if you have proton is positive, you also need to have a negative charge to balance the atom. Otherwise, it will be imbalanced. And therefore, hydrogen also has got one electron. Similarly, helium 2 protons, I'll just put E as electron, 2 electrons. Fluorine has 9 protons, so fluorine will also have 9 electrons, positive and negative. They have to balance out. So how does the hydrogen atom looks like? So one proton, that is the nucleus. If you're speaking about the nucleus, the core part of it, and you have one electron, so you have the first orbit and one electron here, and it fits in very well because this is the K shell. The K shell, at the most we can put 2 electrons, so we have 1 electron, that's fine. Helium, now we have 2 protons, and obviously we'll have 2 electrons, which you can go 2 electrons, and that fits in well because in the first orbit there can be only 2 electrons. So I will just put here, we have only 1 electron here, we have 2 electrons here. Then let's do fluorine. So fluorine looks like this. So we have 9 protons, and in the first orbit you can only put 2 electrons, but we need 9 electrons. So when we have already put 2 electrons, there are 7 more you can put. And in the second shell you can put 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we go. I've already put here 2 and 7. So in the first shell we have 2 electrons. In the second shell we have 7 electrons. Let's come to chlorine. Chlorine will have 17 protons, and of course we'll have 17 electrons. So in the first shell 2 will go. In the second shell you cannot put more than 8. The maximum is you can put 8. So you have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8 is 10. We need to put 7 more. So you draw another one, and then you put 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. So we have 2, 8, and 7. Let's go to argon. Argon has got 18. So instead of drawing, I'll just put here first orbit there will be 2, second orbit it will be 8, so 2 plus 8 is 7, 2 plus 8 is 10, and then since there are 18 electrons we need 8 more, so we can easily put 8. That suffices. Now I want you to be careful, I want you to carefully listen about potassium. Potassium has got 19 electrons because here of course 19 proton, therefore it has to have 19 electrons.